How to turn on protection mode in Rednote app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Rednote app, log in with your account details. After that, simply head toward profile. Simply click on me icon at the bottom right corner. Go to settings, go to privacy setting, scroll below. In privacy setting, at the top you see the option of protection mode. Simply toggle it on. Once you toggle this feature on, some certain settings are changed by default. So if you do not like those settings and is it not according to your desire, you can simply toggle off protection mode. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to turn on or turn off protection mode in your device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.